Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve this halo sunset look. When I noticed kasi when I was browsing sa channel ko, I haven't dabbled too much sa mga colorful eyeshadows. So medyo neutral and medyo repetitive na rin yung mga makeup looks ko. So I decided to be creative this time and play with eyeshadows with colorful palettes that I already own. So yun, I hope you like it and I hope you're doing well. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So for today's video, we are going to do something different. Let me know if you prefer this kind of video, yung mas gusto nyo ba yung sped up o yung talk through like this. Sana natin. For my primer, I'm not gonna do foundation yet because natatakot ako baka magkaroon ng fallout since medyo marami tayong eyeshadow na gagamitin. This is not a primer, but this is what I use. I love this as a primer. This is the Skin White, and it has a little bit of coverage. Guys, I'm so sorry guys kung medyo maingay because of the fan. Ang init lang talaga, and I don't have the aircon here for the eyes. I'm gonna put a base and gagamit natin itong concealer. It's from Maybelline. So, dalawang eyeshadow palette yung gagamit natin for this look. You don't have to use the exact palette. You can use whatever eyeshadow you have. Just try to be resourceful kasi yun din yung ginagawa ko. I don't have any eyeshadow na ganito color scheme. So, the first one is the Zulu by Juvia's. So I'm gonna use the orange here, and then this one is from Lunar Beauty. It's the Life is a Drag palette. This brand is actually owned by Manny MUA. I want to use the yellow, but if you have this, the yellow in this palette is already good. It's just that this is a little bit more brighter, I would say, because the one in the Zulu palette is a little bit muted. So, mas gusto ko kasi yung bright. But before natin ilagay yung eyeshadow, iset muna natin siya. And I'm gonna set my eyeshadow with Cake Face. Alright, now that my eyes are primed and set, the first color that we're gonna use is the Ye Shade Yellow. Ang pangalan niya sa palette ay Campy. Nilagyan natin siya sa crease, and this would help the next color mas mag-blend and mas maging blown out. Alright, so once you put the yellow all over the crease, again, just make sure you blend. And just a quick tip, if you want it blown out and mas konti yung paglagay ng product because you want to build it up, you want to hold your brush sa pinakadulo. And if you want to put the, more color or more opacity dun sa nilalagay nyo, dun yung hawakan. So, again, mas blown out para dito yung hawakan. Alright, let's move on to the next eyeshadow. We're gonna use the Juvia's the Zulu palette, and we're gonna use the orange shade. Sa crease din, pero mas magpo-focus tayo sa mismong talukap niya. And we're not gonna go past the yellow shade. If you feel like you need to blend it, just take any clean blending brush with, again, no product. Okay, and then feel free na balikan yung yellow just in case tingin nyo masyado na siyang na-wash out ng orange. And you have to be very patient because you really have to build up the color until ma-reach niyo yung opacity na gusto niyo.
Nice to know ya, let's do it again. How we did it.
Alright, so once that's done, balik tayo sa Life's Drag palette. You can use blush for this, but in my case, I'm using Kai Kai. And sa outer corner and inner corner. Nalagay na natin yung pink color, you can see. Next naman natin ilalagay is itong violet. And from time to time, if I feel like mas kailangan pa siyang i-dark, I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of shade in the same palette. Alrighty. Tan yung space sa gitna. Lalagyan natin siya ng, you can use concealer, but in my case, I'll probably mix concealer first, and we're gonna use a white base. This is from Pinkies. This is actually a lip base siya. Pinkies collection, and the shade white for 89 pesos. Once that's done and naset na rin natin, we're gonna take a little bit of Kai Kai sa labas lang nung white base. And then, ilalagay na natin itong kulay na ito. Ita-touch up natin yung mga masyadong na-blend out na eyeshadow. So, speed up na. Lashes is on and nag-lightline na rin ako. So let's do the rest of the makeup. Face makeup is done. Balik tayo ulit sa lower lashes ko. We're gonna do basically the same thing, same colors. So, lagay muna natin itong yellow as a transition. Next is the orange shade from the Zulu palette. And then a little bit of the violet color can use the juice or the knives as well. Dito lang sa outer corner ng knives. Okay, I feel like the look is too matte, so I wanted a little bit of gold highlighter. So I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics. Again, you can use any gold highlighter or any gold eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use EPM. Just a little bit lang sa pinaka-lower part ng yellow. I'm gonna use Pillow Talk by Colourpop. This is their matte X line. Pwede natin siyang haluan ito para mas magiging neutral siya.